Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about perampenel. What is perampenel? Perampenel is actually a selective non-competitive antagonist of AMPA type inotropic glutamate receptor. This perampenel is actually approved for adjuvant therapy of focal onset seizures. It is approved for adjuvant therapy of focal onset seizures. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.